Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make ice cream with whipping cream. First, you'll need just a few simple ingredients: heavy whipping cream, sweetened condensed milk, and a touch of vanilla extract. For the best outcome, make sure your mixing bowl and whisk attachment are thoroughly chilled before you begin. This easy, no-churn method means you won't need any special ice cream maker, making it perfect for a quick dessert. It's a fantastic way to enjoy delicious homemade ice cream without the fuss. Now let's get to the whipping. Take about 2 cups of your very cold, heavy whipping cream and pour it into your chilled mixing bowl. Using an electric mixer, whip the cream on high speed. You'll want to continue whipping until stiff peaks form, which usually takes around 3 to 5 minutes. It's important to watch it closely. Overwhipping can cause the cream to become grainy, so stop as soon as those beautiful stiff peaks appear. Next, it's time to combine our ingredients and add some flavor. Take 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk and gently fold it into your whipped cream. Be sure to use a spatula and mix carefully to maintain the airy texture. Now, stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for that classic, comforting taste. This is also the perfect moment to add any desired mix-ins, like chocolate chips, cookie pieces, or fresh fruit, making your ice cream truly unique. Finally, the waiting game. Pour your delicious ice cream mixture into a freezer-safe container and cover it tightly to prevent ice crystals. Place it in the freezer for at least 6 hours, though freezing it overnight will give you the best, creamiest texture. Once firm, scoop and enjoy your homemade treat. For more great tips and resources, including a book that can truly change how you think about money, check the description below for links and other deals. Enjoy your amazing, easy-to-make ice cream.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.